Huguette Clark, a reclusive multi-millionaire copper heiress whose estate remains shrouded in mystery, died in New York City on Tuesday at the age of 104. Clark, who became a recluse 75 years ago, was worth $500 million. Her vast estate includes a $100 million Santa Barbara property, a $23 million home in Connecticut, and a $100 million Fifth Avenue apartment. Family members first learned of Clark's death through media reports yesterday, but the news was later confirmed by her lawyer, Wallace Bock. Bock notoriously denied the family access to Clark for years, saying that she explicitly told him she didn't want visitors or for anyone to know where she resided. The copper heiress died at the Beth Israel Medical Center, where she lived in seclusion for 22 years after cutting herself off from friends and family. She was cared for by a team of nurses, was registered at the hospital under a fake name, and even made her lawyer speak to her through a door. In 2010, 3 of Clark's relatives grew alarmed that her finances were being managed inappropriately after reports said she donated $1.5 million to build a security system at an Israeli settlement where Bock's daughter lives. Clark's relatives went to court seeking an independent guardian to manage her vast fortune, only to have a judge rebuff their request. While no charges have officially been filed since Clark's death, prosecutors are investigating whether Bock and Clark's accountant, Irving Kamsler, have mishandled her accounts. Clark married once but never had any children and later divorced. She left a will, but her benefactors remain unknown. The last known photograph taken of her was the day she made her divorce final more than 80 years ago. For more stories from Mahalo News, please visit our Facebook page or click any of the links around.